President Lula, distinguished excellencies. We also have tremendous reserves of geothermal, and we plan to retire our coal plants and all the fossil energy plants within the next 15 years. We plan to build more than 75 gigawatts of renewable power in the next 15 years. We also are situated along the equator. Therefore, we have more than plenty of sunlight to fuel solar-based energy. We have other sources of renewables, and that's why we are very optimistic that we can achieve net zero before 2050. Distinguished gentlemen, sustainability and not exploitation has to be shared globally. Indonesia, I think, has the largest tropical forests. Maybe only Brazil and some African countries have more forests than us. We have contributed for many, many years to cooling the world. We are considered the lungs of the earth. But we have not seen the promises of the advanced countries to provide carbon credits. This has always been offered to us. Therefore, we need a continued commitment to compensate the role of our forest in maintaining the global temperature. Indonesia is open to optimize the prospects of 557 million tons of Indonesia's carbon credit. We also have the largest carbon storage capacity, and we offer this also to the world. Distinguished excellencies, I would like to announce that Indonesia is pleased to support international efforts. In this case, we are willing to commit $30 million to bridge funding gaps on WHO activities. We hope this can positively contribute to the noble work done by the United Nations. Moving forward, the G20 must continue its positive impact. The G20's convening power must unite and bring together advanced and emerging economies, converging different views in response to the world's most urgent challenges, in the spirit of transparency, inclusivity, and consensus as important principles in our G20. Thank you very much.